Good morning, students. Welcome back. Today we shall discuss exercise 12.3 from your textbook, page number 234. Now, in this you have combination of figures. You have to check what are the combinations, whether it is a square, rectangle, rhombus, triangle, circle, sector, and then find out its areas. Clear? So, there are certain number of questions that we are going to discuss and some questions we are going to solve. Before that, there are few questions, similar questions that we are discussing today. For example, page number 235, question number 3rd. Page number 235, exercise 12.3, question number 3rd. It says, in the given figure, find the area of shaded region. This is the figure. This is the figure. There is a square ABCD, right? A, B, C, D. In the given, find the area of shaded region if ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. This is a square of side 14 centimeter, and you can see two semicircles have been cut off. Two semicircles have been cut off from here. My semicircles will be slightly different. So this is the shaded region, he says. Yes, so we can see from the square we need to subtract the area of two semicircles, then we are going to get the shaded region. We know the formula for square, we know the formula for area of semicircles. The only problem, the radius of the semicircle is not known to us, right? The radius of the semicircle, but we can see that this is the side of the square and this is also the diameter for these semicircles. That means the side of square equals to 14 centimeter. Therefore, the diameter of semicircle is also 14 centimeters. So therefore, the radius becomes how much? Radius is equals to half of diameter, 7 centimeter. Now he says find the area of shaded region. So therefore, area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is equals to, from the area of square minus area of two semicircles. And formula we all know, area of a square, side square minus area of semicircle, pi r square upon 2, that is area of one semicircle. Because there are two, we multiply it by 2. Right? No need to calculate it separately, do it together. You will be able to save time. You have S, you have R, substitute it. You can cancel this 2 and this 2. So S square, 14 square, minus pi, 22 by 7 into r square, 7 into 7, 7 7, cancel. 14 square, 196, minus 22 into 7, 7 2s are 14, carry 1, 7 2s are 14 and 1 15. 6 minus 4, 2, 9 minus 5, 4 centimeters. These are the kind of questions in this exercise, nothing new. Alright, take a look at question number 5. Again, you can see the figure. Question number 5, figure is there on the board, you can see it. There is a square, again it is having a square, and out of this square, 4 quadrants have been cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is a square that is being cut out. So this is the shaded region. He says find the area of the shaded region. Read it. Everything is given. He says also from each corner of the side of the square 4 centimeter. This is the square of side 4 centimeter. This is A, B, C, D. A quadrant of a circle of radius 1 centimeter is cut. What is this radius? Radius of the quadrant 1 centimeter from each corner. And also a circle of diameter 2 centimeter. The diameter of the circle is 2 centimeter. So what will be the radius? 1 centimeter, isn't it? He says find the area of the remaining portion of the square. So again, area of shaded region of 4 quadrants, isn't it? And area of circle. Area of circle. So area of square formula again, side square. I'm using the board. Area of square, side square minus area of 4 quadrant, area of 1 quadrant, 1 by 4 pi r square. And because there are 4 quadrants, so we multiply it by 4. Plus area of the circle that is inside, pi r square. What is given to us? We are given side of a square. Side of a square 4 centimeter. And radius of the quadrant and circles. Radius r is equals to 1 centimeter for the circle as well as the quadrant. Can you see that? Just substitute the values 4 and 4 cancel over here. So s square 4 square minus pi r square 22 by 7 into r square 1 square plus 22 by 7 into 1 square. Can you see that? Simple calculation. There are a lot of calculations. 4 square 16 minus 1 square 1, 1 square 1, so 22 by 7 plus 22 by 7. Denominators are same, we can add subtract the numerators directly. 44 by 7. Maximum you can do, you can divide 42 by 44 by 7 and simplify it, bring it into decimals. 744 divided by 7. 7 6 are 42. 2 decimal 0, 7 2s are 14. 6 0 7 8s are 56. 4 0 7 5s are 25. So approximately 6.285. Can we subtract? So minus 5, 9 minus 8 1, correct? And 9 minus 2 7 and 15 minus 6 9.75 centimeters. Calculations are not going to be tough in this chapter, in this exercise. Your application is going to be checked. How you apply the questions. Same kind of question is question number 7. Check the question 7. If once you draw the figure, you will be able to get it very easily. He says, this is a square again. A square is there, ABCD. ABCD. He says, in the given figure, ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. The side is 14 centimeter, and circles are drawn from each with centers ABCD. 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touch externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. Find the area of shaded region. This is the figure C. This is first circle. This is another circle. This is another circle. Right? And this is another circle. Clear? And this is the shaded region he is talking about. So you can see each of them is a square, it is a quadrant. Each of them is a quadrant. From this square, if we subtract, if we remove these circles, are they quadrants? So, area of shaded region is equals to area of square minus area of 4 quadrants. The only problem, what is the side of this square in the question? 14 centimeter. And automatically, if the side is 14, the radius becomes 7 centimeter for each of this circle. In other words, for each of its quadrants. Side, area of square, side square minus area of 4 quadrants. 1 by 4 pi r square. 4 and 4 cancel. Side 14 square minus pi r square 22 by 7 into r. How much is r? 7. 7 into 7. 7 and 7 cancel. 14 square 196 minus 22 into 7 154. There it is on the calculation. 42 centimeters square. Can you see that? Calculations are not going to be tough. Only thing you have to identify. Question number 11. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Can you see this spaces in between? How many circles are there? Each of them is a circle. My circles are not exact in shape, but when you look at the figure, it is exactly in shape. Figure is A, B, C, D. Now in this question, what is given? He says on a square handkerchief, 9 circular designs, each of radius 7 cm. The radius of this circle is how much? 7. The radius is 7, so automatically this diameter becomes 14. This diameter becomes 14, and this diameter becomes 14. So that means the length of this side of the square handkerchief we get 14 threes are 42 centimeter. Yes. So therefore, area of shaded region will be equal to what? Again, area of square minus area of 9 circles. Isn't it? The only problem there, the radius was given to us, so we calculated the side of the square was 42. So area of the square 42 square, because the side of the square is 42. 7 was the radius, so 7 plus 7, 14 plus 14 plus 14. 42 minus 9 circles, 9 into pi r square. Solve it. 42 square, 42 into 42 minus 9 into pi, 22 by 7 into r square, 7 into 7, the radius was 7. Radius of the circle was 7 centimeter and side of the square was 42 centimeter. Can we do the calculation? Simple calculation. They are not tough calculations. 7 and 7 cancel. Multiply 42 into 42. You will get this answer. 42 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 4 2s are 16, 4 2s are 8 and 4 4s are 16. 4, 8 and 8 16, carry 1, 7 and 1. 1764 minus 7 to 9 into 7 into 22, 154. 1764 minus 9 4s are 36, carry 3, 9 5s are 45, 45 and 3, 48, carry 4, 9 1s are 9, 9 and 4, 30. Can we subtract? 14 minus 6, 8, 15 minus 8, 7, 6 minus 3, 3 centimeters square. Same questions. From the square, we have to subtract area of two semicircles. From the area of square, we have to subtract the area of 4 quadrants and the circle. From the area of square, we need to subtract the area of 4 quadrants. From the area of square, we need to subtract the area of 9 circles. So you can see that all these questions are related to each other. They are no big calculation. The only thing we require is what? Correct formula. If we know the correct formula, application is very easy. Clear? Rest of the questions are also the same. We discussed question number 3rd, 5th, 7th and 11th. Let us discuss the other questions. They are of the same type. I'll remove the figure, remove these figures from the board so that we can do the rest of the questions. Just check question number 2nd. The figure is made for you over there. Question number 2nd. The figure is there. Yes, you can see that there are two concentric circles. Concentric circles means having the same center. Question number 2nd. Find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. This is the circle, two concentric circles. 1 and 2. This is the center. Both of them are having the same center. And you can see the radii of the two concentric circles are 7 and 14. The radii are 7 and 14. One radius is 14, so automatically that is the outer one. Another one is 7, that is the inner one, 7 centimeter, and this is 14 centimeter. Capital R is equals to 14 centimeter and small r is equals to 7 centimeter. and there are vertices given to you, right? A, B, C and D. This is A, B, C, D, and this is the shaded region. And this central angle is given to us 40 degree. So if you observe it carefully, is it quadrant of a circle? From the area of the bigger quadrant, we subtract the area of the smaller quadrant. So area of shaded region is equals to area of bigger quadrant, big quadrant, minus area of small quadrant. Area of bigger quadrant, pi capital R square upon 4, minus area of smaller quadrant, pi small r square upon 4. Can you see that? Same. Similar question, similar figure is there in question number 14. AB and CD are respectively two areas of two concentric circles of radius 21 and 7. This is the figure provided to you in your textbook. This is the first quadrant, A, B, with vertex I suppose is O, correct? The radius is 21 centimeter. The radius is 21 centimeter, and this is another one. This is C and this is D, and the radius is 7 centimeter. And this angle is 30 degree. This is the shaded region he is telling us to find. Again, can we use the same formula? Capital R is 21 and small r is 7. Only difference is in the radius 21 centimeter and small r is equals to 7 centimeter and theta is equals to how much? 30 degree. Here also theta is how much? 30 degrees. Sorry, I wrote the wrong formula. Area of quadrant, not quadrant, area of sector, pi r square theta upon 360 minus pi r square theta upon 360. It is not a quadrant, it is a sector. Right? We can simplify our terms. How? We can take pi and theta upon 360 common. What is left? Capital R square minus small r square. Same formula, only the figures change, nothing else. Nothing. Here capital R is 14, small r is 7, and theta is substituted 22 by 7 into theta 30 upon 360 into capital R square 14 square minus small r square 7 square. 0 and 0, 3 ones are, 3 12s are, 2 6 are, 2 11s are, 11 upon 7 into 6 into. Can we apply identity? A plus B minus B, A square minus B square. A plus B into A minus B. What do I get? 11 by 7 into 6 into 14 plus 7, 21 into 14 minus 7, 7. 7 and 7 cancel. 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6 and 3 7s are 21. 11 7s are 77 upon 2 centimeters. Same formula, only thing figure has changed. This here, a complete circle is drawn. Here, a part of the circle is visible to us. So that is there, students. You just have to identify the figures correctly. What is to be added and what is to be subtracted. Right? Take a look at question number 12. Question number 12. The figure is given to you. Question number 12. This was question number 14. You can do it. In question number 12, you find in the given figure OACB is a quadrant of a circle with radii center O. O, this is a quadrant. A, this is B, and this is C. Right? It is a quadrant. It is clearly mentioning that it is a quadrant of radii 3.5 centimeter. This is a quadrant, and the radii is 3.5 centimeters. So that means this is the radii. And you can see The radius, this and this is the same, OA and OB, and OD is given to you 2 centimeter. This is OD 2 centimeter. Right? Can you see? This is the shaded region he wants us to find. So from quadrant, we subtract the area of this triangle. Radius of quadrant is equals to 3.5 centimeter. So therefore, area of shaded region is equals to area of quadrant minus area of triangle O या BOD. So area of quadrant formula pi r square upon 4 because it is a quadrant as you can see, and this is a triangle. Area of triangle half into base into height. Substitute pi 22 by 7 r square 3.5 into 3.5 upon 2 minus half into base 3.5 into height 2. Can we simplify? No big calculation. Only simple calculations are there. You can see 2 and 2 common cancelled out. Right? 2 ones are 2 11s are. Right? You can take 3.5 common or you can cancel it out. See, 11 into 35 into 35 upon 7 into 100. One decimal we have removed. Minus 35 upon 10. We have removed the decimal. 7 ones are 7 fives are. No need to cancel it now. Put down the decimal. It will help. Right? You can change it into decimal, you can cancel it out because eventually you have to do it. Here you can take 35 common, 35 by 10 common, whatever you like, and do it. There are no big calculations in this chapter. Only thing required is the correct formulae, nothing else. Students, take a look at question number 13. Again you can see a square. Again you can see a square in a quadrant. Can you see that? Here also it was a quadrant with a triangle, and now in question number 13 you have a square circumcircled by a quadrant. Question number 13. This is a quadrant. Right? O, Q, P, and this is the square. A, B, C, and this is the shaded region. Right? The only problem, the radius of this quadrant is not given to us in the question. Read it. What does it say? He says, a square OABC is inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ. Inscribed in a quadrant, this square is inscribed in a quadrant. And if OA is 20 centimeter, this is 20 centimeter, that is the side of this square. Side of square is equals to 20 centimeter. He says find the area of shaded region and use pi as 3.14. Use pi as 3.14. Can we find? The only problem is where is the radius? Just observe carefully. Where is the radius? This is the radius. OP, OB, OQ. Is it a radius? So we can find the diagonal of this square. So therefore, diagonal of square is equals to the radius of quadrant. Diagonal of square is equals to radius of quadrant. So therefore, radius is equals to root 2 into s. That is the formula for diagonal of square. We all know. What is the formula for diagonal of square? Root 2 into s. We can also find out with the help of Pythagoras theorem. We can see that square of the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the square of the other two sides. We can use that also. So radius r is equals to root 2 multiplied by s. How much is s? 20 centimeters. So this is the radius. So now area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is equals to area of quadrant minus area of square. So area of quadrant pi r square upon 4 minus area of square sine square. Substitute it. Pi r square upon 4, pi 22 by 7 into r square, 20 root 2 multiplied by 20 root 2 upon 4 minus s square, 20 square. Simple calculations. 22 by 7 into 20 into 20 into root 2 into root 2, 2 upon 4 minus 20 into 20. Correct? And in case of pi, he wants us to use 3.14, so we will be using 3.14. Remove the decimal if you wish to. 3.14 upon 100. 1, 2, 1, 2. 4 1 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 and 2. Cancel, everything is cancelled. So 2 multiplied by 3.4. 4 2s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. Minus 400. So that is 228 centimeters. So these are the questions. Very, very simple questions. Clear, students? So I hope you will be able to practice all these questions. Question number 2 we discussed, 3rd we discussed, right? 5th we discussed, 7th, clear? 9th, 11th, 12th, 13th. These are the questions that you have to solve. All right. Thank you.